welcome to Fry's Motor Company again. Here's a lovely car to tell you about. It's a 2016 Ford Connect 1600cc diesel. That's the latest Euro 6 engine, so you've got no troubles about going into London, ULEZ charges, low emissions. I believe the road tax is £30 a year. Now, it's only done 17,300 miles. There's an old MOT there showing a few mileages over the years. Full service history from Motability. That's the converter's handbook. Tells you how to use all the straps and things, but I shall spend some time with you to make sure you're happy. Nice comfortable cabin at the front, seat height adjustment, manual gearbox, air conditioning, electric front and rear windows, remote locking. Now the converted part at the back, done by Allied, they're the largest wheelchair converter I should say, and they've done a good job on this, and I've got it ready to put the wheelchair in. The safety straps have been attached there. Now I'm going to put this switch there up. That means they lock. It's got a winch, which is so good to have. So all we need to do is take the remote control for the winch, gently press the in button, follow up. Everything very smooth and gentle. It's a soft start winch. And quite quickly we're in position. That goes back there, and these straps clip onto the floor like that. Press the red button to release them. They go around the back. One more there, seat belt on, clipping in there. Now the ramp has got gas struts all over it. It's Allied's latest one, the Easy Glide, so there's no particular weight to it. And that goes up like that when the wheelchair's in position, and that goes like that. There's a nice little handle to pull down the tailgate. We've got privacy glass to the rear. Unusual to have rear windows electric as well. So you're all ready to speed off and have a nice time out. We'll start it up for fun. There's its mileage. Switch on. It's got all this fancy fuel computer and everything. I mean, I would guess you'll probably get 50 miles to the gallon, but no guarantees. Certainly be a very economical car to use. There's your air conditioning button. Like a lot of these wheelchair cars now, probably £30,000 new. So that's a low mileage one in a pretty colour, oyster grey they call it, and it'll do the job well. If you think it's a possibility, give me a ring or to email, talk about it some more. Thank you for looking, and I'll look forward to your contact.